I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlink a bank account on Crypto.com, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app. Launch the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear in the top right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Payment Methods option. This is where you can manage your linked bank accounts and cards. Step 4. Choose a bank account. Locate the bank account you want to unlink from the list of linked accounts. Tap on it to view more options. Step 5. Unlink the bank account. Look for the option to remove or unlink the bank account. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the process. If you accidentally tapped the wrong account, just double check before confirming the unlinking process. I hope this helps you manage your Crypto.com account more easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.